Assalamu alaikum respected viewers. Welcome to my channel Ahfaz Educational. Smart way of learning. Dear students, today we are going to write an essay on Independence Day. Please look it, listen and write down in good handwriting. Independence Day means Yawm-e-Azadi. The Independence Day is celebrated all over the country on 15th August. In this national celebration day, we should all feel proud of being a part of India. India is an independent nation that gives us the freedom to follow all our rights, including right to education and right to speech. For almost 200 years, we were under the rule of the British government. They treated us like slaves, tortured us, and destroyed our money and resources. But after all the struggles, with the help of our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Dadabhai Naoroji, etc., Indians fought for their rights and freedom. On 15th August 1947, India finally got independence from British rule. For the first time, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hoisted India's flag on the Red Fort. Since then, India celebrates Independence Day across the nation. School, colleges, government and private organizations arrange different cultural programs to make the day memorable. The armed forces of our country arranged parades every year to showcase India's superpower in front of the world. Lastly, I would like to say, the young generation is our future for the country. With youth, talent and efforts towards the country, India can succeed more in the future.